Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Last class we started the second chapter, that is sentence, and we also did two kinds of sentence, statement and imperative sentence. So today we are going to do four different kinds of sentences. First one is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden or strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation mark. When we are expressing a sudden feeling or emotion, then it's an exclamatory sentence, like I'm starving, what a beautiful park this is, how red these tomatoes are. We have another kind, that is interjection. We sometimes use single words such as wow, hooray, oops, and so on to express sudden or strong emotions. These are called interjections. So exclamatory sentence is that where we write the whole sentence and then we use an exclamation mark when we express our feelings. But sometimes we use only one word to express our sudden feeling or emotion, and those words are called interjections. So interjections can be written in two ways. They can stand on their own or they can be followed by a comma as part of a longer sentence. For example, wow, this food looks delicious. So here we write down the interjection word, then we give the exclamation mark and then the rest of the sentence. Another way is wow, this food looks delicious. So we put a comma afterward and then we write the sentence and then put an exclamation mark. So these are the two ways of writing interjection. Next we have interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question, it ends with a question mark, like what is your name, are you hungry, where is the park. So interrogative sentences, all questions are called interrogative sentence. Then we have subject and predicate. A sentence has two parts. The subject tells us the person, place, animal or thing being spoken about. The predicate is the part of the sentence that tells us about the subject. It always contains a verb. So a sentence always has two parts, every sentence. First part is subject, second part is predicate. In the subject part, we are telling about the person, the animal or place or thing, whatever we are talking about in the sentence, that is the subject part. And the predicate part is always telling us what the animal is doing or what the person is doing, where is the place, we are talking about the place. So rest of the part of the sentence is called predicate, and in that part we always have the verb. For example, Maitri is at school. Maitri is subject, is at school is predicate. His father and mother are at work. His father and mother are subject, are at work is predicate. Maitri's baby sister stays at home with Granny. Maitri's baby sister is the subject here. Stays at home with Granny is the predicate. So I hope you are clear with these four kinds, that is exclamatory, interjection, and then interrogative, subject and predicate. If you have any doubt, you can clarify it in the evening session. Thank you.